Good morning from me, starting yet another vlog in my car. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a fun little just like random day in my life vlog. It is a Thursday. I'm going into the office this morning because I go into the office 2 days a week now. That's what I've been doing this summer. And I'm gonna be working there for the whole day. And then after work today, we are doing something so fun. I'm super excited. So my brother graduated from high school this year and my sister graduated from college this year, which is kind of crazy how that worked out. Tonight, we are finally celebrating them and I'm super excited because my mom is surprising them that she has rented a boat for the night and like with someone to like drive it and stuff. And so we're gonna do like a picnic dinner on the boat, sunset cruise tonight. I'm so excited. And also my aunt who lives in Alaska is visiting us for the next like 3 weeks. So she's gonna come and my boyfriend's gonna come and it's just gonna be such a great night. So I'm super excited and I'm gonna take you guys along for the whole day. I'm not sure how much I'm actually gonna vlog at the office. So we'll see about that, to be determined, probably not too much. So if I don't talk to you until the end of the day, that is why. Later. Alright, I just picked up some hard kombuchas, which I've never seen before because you're only allowed to bring cans on this boat, which is totally fine. So I figured that this would be kind of a fun thing to bring. Hard kombucha made with honey, strawberry blood orange. So now I'm heading to the apartment. I'm gonna quickly get changed and then we are like jetting out of here to go on the boat. It is now 4:45 and we have to be at the boat area by 5:40 at the latest, which means we should probably leave here in like 20-ish minutes. So I'm in a major hurry, but I promised I would vlog. Also, very sorry I literally did not even get one clip at the office today. It was just a very meeting heavy day, so I did not have the time or bandwidth to even record one little clip. So here I am at the end of the day, resuming the vlog, and now we're just gonna like hurry ourselves down to the boat. All right, we've got our cooler, and we are heading out the door for the boat.
Like, Hampton? And she was like, yeah! I was like, where did I know that? Like, so
We're like, hey. Thank you, Molly.
Yeah, this is so
This is the island we live on. Right here.
As you go in. You're at the end of Plum Island.
yeah, we went out here,
Yeah, cool down finally.
Yeah.
I know, finally, jeez.
Think about December.
Take a
and we'll be
picture of the
saying
boat.
that,
Somebody
right?
take a picture of the boat.
Tide went out.
Yeah, it's more of an incline getting up here now.
Did you guys get a picture of the boat?
I did. On the way down, I did.
Wow, look. Sorry, beautiful.
Wow. That was really good. Thank you.
Oh, you're
That was such a good idea. That was really, really fun.
You're welcome.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sis.
Yeah, thanks for preparing all the food.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you for the yummy foods.
You're welcome. The graduate. Mwah. Love you guys.
Love you.
That was super fun.
Graduated.
You grad-
Yeah, that was really nice.
Hey guys, it's been a little bit. So it is now Friday, it's the next day, and it's a little bit after 12, and if you didn't know, I get out of work at 12 on Fridays in the summer, which is just like the best thing in the world. So I figured I would just continue vlogging today because, you know, why not? I've worked all morning from home, the usual, had a couple meetings, and now I'm about to head up to Ryan's grandmother's house. And she is just like the most amazing person, so I'm excited to see her. And like I mentioned, my aunt from Alaska is visiting, so she's gonna come too. It's cool because Ryan's grandmother lived in Alaska in like the 60s, so it'll be cool for them to connect. And then I'm not sure what this afternoon holds. Maybe we'll spend some time outside. It's a little hot, it's like 90, so I'm not sure how much time I'm gonna want to spend outside, but I want to take advantage of being out of work at 12, so we'll see what I end up doing. But you know I'm gonna vlog it for you guys. So this is my view, just sitting on our steps outside my house. I don't know if you can really tell if I can zoom in enough, but over there, that body of water is where we were boating last night. So we could kind of almost see where we live. We could see this like bright blue house from the boat, so we knew that our house was like not far behind.
Back in my mind, yeah, back in my mind. Give me some time, yeah, give me some time. We still love each other, but sometimes I start to wonder. Back in my mind, yeah, back in my mind. Everything's fine, yeah, everything's fine. I mean, it sounds like a lie, no, it doesn't feel right.
Good morning, good morning. It is now Saturday, and this morning is gonna be super fun. I'm very excited. We are doing some beach yoga. And that's right, beach yoga. Like as a whole family, it's gonna be super fun. And then we're gonna get some acai bowls, and then we are gonna go to our beach here and just like hang out at the beach today. Maybe go out to dinner tonight and just have like a classic summer day. And I feel like I haven't had a day like this like all summer, so I'm really excited to just like do all summer things.
I slowly feel we're leaving paradise, and I hope it isn't real.
Kim, do you want to go to a specific specific spot.
Get it right, yeah, we get
And let's just do the back.
I know we still love each other, but sometimes I start to wonder. Back of my mind, yeah, back of my
Pro. Second time in the water today.
talk to me slow, baby, I'm here.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, I lost focus, guess it's unclear. Oh, you still love another. Shouldn't be with each other. Left my heart broken, left my mind clear.
Good morning from me, starting yet another vlog in my